Okay, we got this, the inside pretty good. Taking this out in here so our string won't rub up against it. Taking for the two eyes and then down through this center so our spring won't rub up against it. So we're working, now we'll be going back and forth to the front, to the back to get the eyes carved out where we need them and set. Be sure you're putting your back on when you put it in the vise like that so it doesn't break on you. If you're enjoying my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate that. And we take a little bit out in the back, then we keep checking the front. We don't want to make it too big. We don't want our eye to fall through. Anyway, we'll keep working on that. And when we get this ready, we'll move on to the next step. So thanks for watching.